Before the opening bell, U.S. indices mixed on Wednesday. Shares in healthcare equipment and services, semiconductors and semiconductor equipment, and household and personal product sectors losing traction, while shares in capital goods, banks, and energy, they gained momentum. On the economic docket, mortgage applications increasing by 5.3% in the week ended February 22nd. Wholesale inventories improving by 1.1%. Pending home sales advancing by 4.6% month over month. Factory orders improving by 0.1% in December, while durable goods orders increased by 1.2% in December. This all while decliners ahead of advancers. 48% of S&P 500 constituents, they traded lower yesterday. Now, after the markets closed, HP announcing first quarter adjusted EPS of 52 cents, in line with expectations versus 48 cents a year ago on net revenue of $14.7 billion. This from $14.5 billion the previous year. Monster Beverage unveiling fourth quarter diluted EPS of 43 cents versus 35 cents a year ago on net sales up 14.1% year over year to $924.2 million. Asian markets, meanwhile, down today. The Nikkei down 0.79%. The Hang Seng down 0.43%. China's CSI 300 down 0.25%. South Korea's Kospi down 1.76%. European markets mixed and U.S. futures calling for a negative start. In terms of expectations today, we have JD.com, Autodesk, and Marriott International. While on the economic docket, 8:30 in the morning, we have initial and continuing jobless claims figures, fourth quarter adjusted GDP annualized, and fourth quarter core PCE. 9:45, we have February Chicago PMI. Now, in the markets, the S&P 500 is where we begin. That's under pressure. The Nasdaq under pressure as well, but in focus. The relative strength index for the Nasdaq advocates for further decline. Short positions below 71.08 are favored, with targets at 70.50 and 70.32 in extension. The Dow Jones, meanwhile, sees the downside prevail.